Hi, this is Joe with Right Home Inspections. Today we're doing an inspection in Forest Lake, Minnesota, and I just wanted to show you what happens with galvanized steel piping over the years. Galvanized steel pipe, of course, we know steel rusts. The galvanized coating will slow down the rust, but it doesn't prevent it completely. So this is an old water line in the house that's dripping. It's got a small pinhole in the top of it, and you can see where that water is coming out and creating this big mushroom made out of calcium and all the minerals that are in the water. That's kind of acting as a cork and slowing down the drip. But regardless, all the steel piping in this house is going to need to be replaced because it's rusted so much over the years that the walls of the pipe are super thin and starting to leak. So just another reason for a thorough home inspection with Right Home Inspections. That's all for now.